Hello and welcome. Today we'll be making cake in a sandwich maker or a sandwich toaster. These pretty handy tea cakes are a great delight and are also very tasty. To prepare the cake batter, we'll be using a basic yellow cake recipe, but feel free to make use of your favorite chocolate cake or red velvet cake recipe. Here we're using some butter, sugar, and egg. We'll also be sifting in some flour, baking powder, and nutmeg, which is optional but gives the cake a great flavor. We're also going to be adding some milk and vanilla essence until we get a light but not watery cake batter. Now we'll oil both sides of our sandwich maker with some butter or oil and preheat for 2 minutes. And then we'll scoop in our cake batter into the little pockets of the sandwich maker. We'll close the sandwich maker and leave the cake to cook for like 3 to 5 minutes depending on how hot your sandwich maker heats up. And here we have a fluffy, delicious, tasty cake made in a sandwich maker, and I trust you will enjoy. I truly hope you try out this recipe, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button below, subscribe and share with a friend. It will help us a lot. See you in the next video. Bye bye.